Good morning, everyone. July 1st, a hot month is what we just finished, the month of June. I'll review that and talk about whether we can get any cool temperatures here in July. I think you already know the answer is not right away and not much cooling. Here's the morning weather map. We have a warm front to our north, not encouraging. A cool front would look better. But truth be known, the part of that front off to the north and west will actually pivot a little bit and come a little closer to us in eastern Missouri over the next 24 hours or so. Not a whole lot of hope, though. There it is close up. We have temperatures and dew points that are pretty warm for the season, especially the temperatures. The dew points have been actually on the low side compared to what we could have in the month of July especially, and that's been better feel weather, but not so great on the fire danger part. Higher humidities would make that situation a little bit better. Here's the temperature projections. Today I think we'll get up around 100, and assuming we don't get any thick shields of clouds. The latest loop on the satellite I think indicates we won't. And then a slight cool down Monday and Tuesday due to cloud cover and a couple of scattered shower and thunderstorm areas here and there. On the 4th, back up to our near 100-degree ways, I think. And that'll pretty much be the case next week, even though the computer model lines there are backing off a little bit. I'd add a few more degrees to each of those. You can see the scale on the left. I really think upper 90s to around 100 is still the pace we're on. And then it looks like some relief about a week from today. Precipitation is there. It's showing up, but very scant and widely scattered amounts. Here it is for Springfield, KSGF. Notice that the total accumulated over the next 3 days doesn't even go over, barely over 0.2 of an inch. So it's light, it's widely scattered. The best anybody in the Ozarks can hope for is a cluster of storms. This, I think, would be more likely in the east and in northern Arkansas, two areas that arguably could use the rain a little bit more. Not more, but a little bit more, because they're in extreme drought, as you can see here, with severe drought in southern Missouri and moderate drought for just about the rest of the Ozarks. June, temperature above average by another 1.5 degrees, or 2.5 degrees, I should say. Average temperature about 76. Precipitation was far, far short of what it should have been, by 3 2/3 inches short, in a month that normally sees some pretty good totals, one of our wetter months. June rainfall totaled and departure there on the left and right, and pretty dry, as you can see. Here's a temperature plot. The arrows are indicating the records that we either tied or broke during that month. And there is some evidence of cooling. I think we'll see maybe a little bit of cooling mid-month, July 8th through 14th, part of a little bit of a pattern shift that might happen. The blue indicates below normal temperatures. We haven't seen that in quite some time. Here's our morning weather map here this morning, and we're looking at temperatures here at 1 o'clock, already at 93 degrees. 95 over in West Plains, and also at Fort Lloyd and Rolla, and also up around Camdenton. So very, very toasty. I'll put the satellite in motion. You can see these clouds are left over from thunderstorm clusters that were up in parts of Missouri earlier, are still quite active in the Chicagoland area. We had 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts west of Chicago, actually, as a result of these thunderstorms. That cluster won't get with us, but maybe something that forms closer to home here very soon might actually give us some hope for shower and thunderstorm activity to get in here. Just, again, a few blips of that possible over the next couple of days, Monday and Tuesday, and that's about it. We'll have to wait on rain for quite some time. A hot Independence Day to look forward to. I'll have another weather report tomorrow.